Hello, retail traders. Well, AMZN has took a big knife, and I'm going to throw out a real chart here real fast and see if we can't catch a knife. We're going to throw in a sneaky snake trade in and on it tomorrow, and we're going to see if we're going to get a little bounce after hours. I've seen it's pulled back right now to my first solid support here at 33.40. We're going to go ahead and pull up the yearly chart and take a real good look at this while it's running here after hours. So let's check it out. We're going to take the time and sales off. We're going to make this map a little bit bigger. There's one thing that I seen, two things that caught my eye, was this little pivot point. They're right here at 33.40, 33 all the way across the year. That's a yearly PP. If it does dip below that 33.43, it's going to go no lower than 32.69. But I'm going to call this my first support here at 33.40. Now I'm going to draw another trend line just right below it, just in case it does dip on down, and I'm going to put her right here at 32.90. Whoops, and man, I hate it when I do that. Had a good day today watching stocks and catching knives and playing the sneaky snake. So here we are, 32.87. It always changes when I go in here, but I'm looking at these candles right here. I could probably go up a little bit higher than that. Let's do that. Yeah, let's just do that. We're going to take this off and go a little bit higher. There's a good spot. 32.90.49. So let's pull this up to the daily to see if we hold that 33.40, 33 right now, or we're going to dip on down to that 200 for a strong buy. I'm telling you, strong buy. 32.90.49, and then that 200 SMA on the daily 1 minute. Good knife catch. Let it come to you. People have asked me if they'd jump in the trade today. I'd go in small, but I'd wait probably in the morning. Catch that knife right early in the morning and get in on that dip. That's how I'd play this. I don't know if it's going to work out that way. You know, if you have a lot of money, start a small one here, but I think I'm going to come in here in the morning, and if it knives on me, I'm in the trade. I'll run it up to 3,400 and take the strike right there. So that's it. That's AMZN. We're going to get this out there so y'all can see it. Again, the resistance to break, the channel of resistance that we're going to be looking for is going to be, let me see here. Let me take this to the daily 1 minute. I want to see it break once we get down to that 200. These little resistance bars will now become resistance. So we'll stick to that 33.40. If it dips below, that'll be your first support. Second and third will be that $3,400 area. And if it can break that pivot point area, we'll bounce up to 34.24 and then kind of consolidate, work sideways in a channel. We've been in the Darvas box for a very long time with this stock, and I'll point that out to you right before I close here. I'll look at the yearly, and we've been in almost a year-long Darvas box. We'll go to 3 years. And you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to color that in real fast and show you exactly the channel that we need to stay in. It's going to be right up in here. This here was the breakout of the Darvas box. I'm going to put it right about here, all the way to the bottom of that spot, and that'll be right in here. That's what you're looking at. So that's going to be like the Darvas box itself. We want to try to get back above up into the higher inch lot of that Darvas box, and that'll be right above 32.90 and 33.40. If we can wedge up above that and go sideways, that'll be very healthy for this stock. Another thing that I just now noticed, we're going to draw this in real fast. Let me remove this drawing. Yeah, no lower than this 29. $31. I want to try to stick with that 33.4 if we can get back up there. But we'll put this one line right here and see what that reaches up to. Right there. 31.94. That's on the weekly. Yeah, this looks like it's going to start consolidating. One little knife down below this, and then start to retrace back up and get into this channel. If we can close up in here and then start to create a sideways pattern, that'll be very healthy for this stock. This is AMZN. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Retail traders, be a little patient. Let the trades come to you. Use your imagination. Look at that chart as a canvas. Start with a horizon line, a pivot point, and then work from there. You have a great day. I'll catch you later.